All right, let's dive into your playbook for factory compliance. This is a must-know for any apparel brand.
So here's the big question. Do your customers really care where their clothes come from?
Well, whether they do or not, you can bet that regulators and retailers definitely do.
Ignore this stuff and you're looking at canceled contracts, blocked goods. It's a huge risk.
Here's our game plan for today. We're going to break down what compliance really is and how you can stay protected.
First things first, compliance isn't just a framed certificate. It has to be baked into day-to-day operations.
We're talking worker safety, fair wages, environmental controls, the whole shebang.
Okay, so how can you be sure a factory actually walks the talk? Let's get into it.
It really boils down to 3 key steps. You've got to nail these before you place any orders.
First up, get those audit reports. And seriously, check the validity date. It's so easy to miss.
Now here's a huge one you have to ask. Is all the production happening right here, in-house?
Because hidden subcontracting is a massive risk. If they outsource, those places need to be approved too.
And remember, to make sure your standards match your market, Europe and North America have different rules. It's pretty simple. Cheaper prices often means someone's cutting corners on compliance.
Things like fire safety and fair wages. These are real costs that go into a responsibly made product.
So when you negotiate, don't push so hard on price that you end up compromising on safety standards.
It's also about matching compliance to your brand. A premium label has way different expectations to meet.
But what if you can't actually visit the factory yourself? Don't worry, you've still got options.
You can hire a third-party inspector or a good sourcing agent. Just get some eyes on the ground.
Okay, so you do all this work. What's the real payoff for your business?
Look, the choice is pretty stark. You're either risking brand damage or you're building trust and long-term growth.
So, is your brand protected? Because today, compliance isn't a trend, it's just smart business.